In the middle of a busy downtown market, there was a small jewelry shop run by a kind man named Ethan Moore. He wasn't the richest jeweler, but his work had soul. Among all his creations, one stood out, a pearl necklace, so flawless it looked like moonlight trapped in silver. That necklace would soon test his honesty and his heart.
A timeless piece for a timeless beauty. Perfect.
One bright afternoon, a classy woman named Madeline Carter walked into Ethan's store. She was confident, well-dressed, and carried herself like someone used to luxury. "This necklace," she whispered, "it's breathtaking." Ethan smiled proudly. "It's my best piece, ma'am. Handcrafted, genuine pearls." She nodded. "I'll be back tomorrow to buy it." That evening, Ethan had to step out to meet a supplier. He looked at his young assistant, Ryan, a college student working part-time. "Ryan," he said kindly.
"Ryan, I need you to close the shop. And please, keep an eye on that pearl necklace."
Ryan straightened up, proud. "Got it, boss. You can count on me." When Ethan left, silence filled the room. Ryan's curiosity took over. He glanced again and again at the velvet box. Finally, he gave in. "I just want to see it up close." He opened it, and the pearls shimmered under the soft light. It was mesmerizing. And disaster. One pearl slipped loose, rolled across the floor, and disappeared under a heavy cabinet. Ryan froze.
"Oh no. No, no, no."
He dropped to his knees, searching desperately, but it was gone. His heartbeat raced as fear kicked in. He panicked. "I can't tell Ethan. He'll fire me." Then he noticed a small repair kit with some imitation pearls. Maybe, just one, he'll never notice. Ryan replaced the lost pearl with a fake one, wiped the sweat off his forehead, and locked the box. But deep inside, he knew what he'd done was wrong. The next morning, Madeline returned, cheerful and excited. Ethan welcomed her with a smile and presented the necklace. She looked radiant as she tried it on. "It's perfect," she said. Ethan wrapped it gently and thanked her. He had no idea what was coming. By that evening, the shop door flew open. Madeline stormed in, angry, disappointed.
Ethan, you sold me something fake!
He was stunned.
"Fake? That cannot be right."
One of these pearls isn't real. Do you think I wouldn't noticed?
Ethan inspected the necklace under a lamp, and there it was, one pearl, dull and lifeless among the rest. His throat tightened. "No, this isn't possible." He looked up, embarrassed. "Madeline, I promise you, I'll make this right. Please give me one day." After she left, Ethan called Ryan into the back room. "Ryan," he said quietly.
"Did you touch this necklace last night?" I might have just looked at it, sir." "Ryan, tell me the truth."
Ryan broke down. "I dropped a pearl, sir. I couldn't find it."
"I panicked. I placed it and replaced the fake one."
Ethan closed his eyes, disappointed. "Ryan, you didn't just damage a necklace. You broke the trust between us." Ryan's voice cracked. "I'm sorry, Mr. Moore." "I really am." Ethan picked up the necklace. "Look at it," he said softly. "One fake pearl, and the whole beauty is gone." That's what dishonesty does. One lie can ruin everything. Ryan stood silently, tears falling down his face. He finally understood. The next morning, Ethan personally delivered a new perfect necklace to Madeline. He spoke sincerely. "Ma'am, I made a mistake."
"Not in my work, but in my trust. Please accept this."
Madeline softened. "Honesty like that is rare, Mr. Moore. Thank you." And she walked away smiling. Ryan stayed at the shop. He didn't quit. Instead, he learned the hard way. Every day, he'd polish the jewelry with care. And right beside him, on a shelf, sat that one fake pearl framed in glass. A reminder that trust, once broken, takes time to rebuild. Years later, Ryan opened his own jewelry studio. And when new interns joined, he'd show them that fake pearl. He'd say, "This little thing cost me my peace once." Never trade honesty for convenience. Because just like real pearls, trust shines brightest when it's pure.